Howdy y'all, it's Desktop Dave, and welcome to Microsoft Excel Lesson 9, the AutoSum feature. Let's say we wanted to add together all of our race donations. We could individually reference each cell and use the addition operator, but that would take a lot of time. It would be a lot easier to use the sum function, but even that requires a lot of syntax like the equal sign and making sure we get our function correct. So, Excel has an even easier way to add things together, and that's the AutoSum feature. It's found in the editing group of your home ribbon, and to use it, first we must click on the cell where we want everything added together in. In this case, that's cell C14. Then we come up here and we click on the main AutoSum button. We see now that everything is syntaxed correctly and our range is already selected. The only thing that we need to do is hit Control Enter, and we have right here the total of all of our race donations. Say for the food donations, though, we wanted to find the average, and we didn't want to use the average function, so we could use AutoAverage. Notice, right next to the main AutoSum button, there's a drop-down menu. When I click on that, we see average, count numbers, max, min, and more functions. In order to use any of these, what we do is, just like for the AutoSum feature, we click on the cell in which we want anything averaged or counted. In this case, that's cell D14. And instead of clicking on the main AutoSum button, we come to the drop-down menu and click on Average. Notice that our syntax is right here, equals average, and our range is selected. Again, all that's left for us to do is hit Control Enter. And here we have the average of all of our food donations. AutoSum works very, very well, but there are a few situations where it wouldn't work. Say if you've got big gaps in your data, or the data isn't on the same worksheet. These are all situations where you would need to use the function and manually input it. But anytime that you've got data without gaps in a row or a column, AutoSum or AutoAverage is probably going to work pretty well for you. That's it for Lesson 9. Thank you, God bless, and always find new ways to excel in life.